Hey guys, welcome back to, I guess, part 4. And as you can see, we got the ramp hooked up. Basically what we did is we welded those two little pieces on and we just added a little bead there so then it can't slide back and forth. We got under here, we put this metal beam going across on two different sides, so it's pretty sturdy, as you can see. It's on kind of a steep angle, so what our plan is we're going to take 2x4s like that and then put it at the bottom there and then take a few and have them across so the guys have somewhere for their feet to kind of go. So yeah, we kind of want it to something like that.
That'll be the perfect angle.
Yeah, it's not too much, and then one guy at a time. This thing can handle that much weight.
We'll have handles here.
Yep, we're gonna have, there's a little bit of a gap right here we noticed, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2x4 here and on this side so then it kind of covers that part, but you should put it all the way up so they can take a look at it. So just hoist it up, I guess. Gets up there pretty nice, and as you can see there's that gap. It's not that big, but we can cover that up pretty easily once we add those 2x4s, so yeah. Okay, so we pretty much just got the interior done for the hook, and what it does is this part right here, as you can see, hooks all the way on to a hook.
Check out that welding.
All the way over here is a hook, and it hooks right onto that. So pretty much just goes right over top and hooks onto that there. And then there's this metal beam here, which clamps it down, so it's like an extra safety. And I'll show you that in a second. Once I get Reed, you come on in here.
Reed, come out.
Close it. Here, hold that. Close it. So this beam goes like that. Hooks on, so it's all safe, so I don't even need to use this, but this is an extra safety kind of thing, which hooks up there. And now you don't have to worry about it. You can hit it. Doesn't really budge at all. And then to get it down, what you can do is unhook this part here. It sits like that. Then I'll take this. Gotta get the hook off. So I don't get rope burn. And then it pretty much drops. Someone on the other side.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, Reed's on the other side. Or Sean. Someone's trying to sabotage us. See if you can kick it open.
Extra door.
Ah.
Bam.
It's opening.
Oh.
So I'm going to let her down and let you walk down it. And then I'm going to close it so you can see what it looks like from the outside.
We built that little extra step there.
You ready?
Yeah.
Clear. That's pretty much all we've done.
Oh, done. Got this mounted solid now. Got an axe. Made that shovel handle and vacuumed out the floor so it's all nice and clean. Put duct tape on the seat.
Next thing that we have to do is get the benches in, which is going to be tomorrow's job. So that's going to be part 5.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I guess we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Around, get a good shot of it from afar.